What's up guys, it's the DIY Mechanic here. Today I'm going to introduce myself and to introduce this channel. As you can see on the license plate, this is my Hebrew channel, and what I'm now talking about is my international channel where I'm going to speak in English. I'm not going to show my face, but in this channel you're going to see me working on my cars, usually old cars, classic cars, like this Citroen BX GTI, this C4 Corvette, and I have here also my biggest project. It's a car I've been working on for 4.5 years. She was very rusty, very bad shape, and I brought her back to life. So before I'm revealing this car, this is a small thing you can do for now, and it's giving a like to this video and subscribe to the channel if you are willing to watch more of the content I'm about to upload. It's going to be reviews of old cars, maybe some even newer cars but quirky ones, and also some DIY mechanic tutorials. So on my Hebrew channel I already upload tens of videos, review videos and DIY videos, and usually I work at home with jack stands and hydraulic jack, not like here with lifts. This is just a friend place where I'm working on this project. So this project actually is, again, my biggest project, but I'm working on it for 4.5 years, and most of the work I did in the last year is uploaded to my Hebrew channel. And as you can see, we're talking about Peugeot 204 from 1972. It was a very successful car back in the day, back in the 60s, back in the 70s. You can see the interior is very beautiful. It's not yet completed, but it's very modern. If you consider this is a car that was announced in '65, so it was brand new. It has brand new paint. You can see a very clear coat, and I'm going to review it later on when it will be finished and show you some more of my old cars. There are much more than that. These are just a few. So this is just a quick video. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and see you soon.